In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip face normals on a cube in Blender. We'll walk through a quick, clean way to invert normals on a mesh using a simple cube so everything is easy to see and understand. If you're new to the concept, a normal is a direction that tells Blender which side of a face is considered the outside. Flipping normals can help diagnose shading issues, create inside-out effects, or prepare models for specific workflows like game engines or certain simulations. With Blender open and your cursor in the 3D viewport, start by adding a basic object, press Shift and A, move to Mesh, and choose Cube. This gives us a straightforward shape that's perfect for demonstrating how normals behave. Next, select the cube and switch into Edit mode. Just press Tab. In Edit mode, you can work directly with the mesh's components. Right now, we're interested in faces, so let's make sure we're using face selection. Press the number 3 on your keyboard to switch to face select. You'll see the selection highlight change to reflect face level control. Now, decide which faces you want to invert. If you want to flip just a single face, left-click that face to select it. If your goal is to invert everything at once, press A to select all faces on the cube. You can also add or remove faces from your selection by holding Shift while clicking, but the key idea is that only the selected faces will be affected by the flip. With your faces selected, it's time to invert the normals. Press Alt and N to open the normals menu. From that menu, choose Flip. Instantly, Blender reverses the direction of the normals on the faces you selected. If you selected the entire cube, you've effectively turned it inside out from a shading perspective. If you targeted specific faces, only those will invert, which is helpful for creating deliberate contrast or fixing isolated issues. If at any point you change your mind, you can always undo with Ctrl and Z. Remember, flipping normals doesn't change the shape of your model. It changes which side is considered outward. This can affect lighting, reflections, and how other tools interpret the surface. And that's the full workflow. Add a cube, enter edit mode, switch to face select, choose your faces, and flip the normals using the Alt plus N menu. Practice on different shapes and selections to get a feel for how normals impact your renders and exports. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting to build confidence with your mesh editing tools.